Hello students, today we will learn adjectives and its types. Adjective is a word that describes a noun and a pronoun. So in simple, we describe like any word that describe any person, thing, place, that is an adjective. Now let me give an example for make it clear. Example is Ram is a boy. Here we learn that Ram is a boy, but we don't have more detail about what kind of boy Ram is. Now look at the another example. Ram is a good boy. Here good is a adjective. So we can say Ram is a smart boy, clever boy. Types of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, adjective of numbers, possessive adjectives.
Let's look into them one by one. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality describe the quality of a person or thing. They tell us of what kind of a person or thing is. In simple words, we can say words that describe quality of noun or pronoun. For example, I have a white teddy. Basically answers the question of what kind of in specifying the descriptions of a subject or noun. Now look at this picture. This is a teddy. Teddy is nice, awesome, cute and round. These are qualities of teddy.
Now next is adjectives of quantity. An adjective of a quantity describes how much of a thing is. They answer the question how much. In simple words, we can say adjective of quantity indicates that amount of estimated amount of the noun or a pronoun. For example, I have enough money. Now look at the picture. We can also say that I have a little money, I have some money.
Next is adjectives of number. An adjective of number denote the numerical strength of person or things or the order in which they are. It answers the questions how many. In other words, we can say the word describe the exact number of noun. For example, Ria has 4 apples. Here 4 is the exact number of apple Ria has. So any such exact number describe the adjectives of number.
Now discuss next type, that is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out which persons or things are meant. They answer the question which. Words that point out a person, thing or animals that are demonstrative adjective. For example, this pen is mine. So this is adjective. That, these, those are the examples of this. Now, if you remember, the demonstrative pronouns also have the same words like these, those, that. What there is a different. Look at the another example. This is my pen. Here, this is a demonstrative pronoun. Students, can you tell me the difference between these two sentences? In first example, this comes before pen. That is noun. It describes a noun, so it is an adjective. In second sentence, this comes before is. So is a verb, so it is a pronoun.
Next is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. WH words used with nouns to ask questions. What are WH words? Who, whose, what, which, whom. For example, which book is yours? Here, which is used before book, it is asking questions. So it is interrogative adjectives. Now, discuss interrogative pronouns. For example, which is your book? Here, is used before book, so it is interrogative pronoun.
Now, look into the last type, that is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives tell us whose thing is it. Words that show to ownership, that are possessive adjectives. For example, Rahul left his bat at home. Here, his show ownership. Now, again we talk about possessive pronouns and sound similar to the possessive adjectives. See the difference. The bat next to the window is his. Here, his is not describing word. It is used instead of noun, so it is pronoun. So this is possessive pronoun. Always remember this formula whenever you are in any confusion. Words used instead of noun, that are pronouns, and words used to describe noun, that are adjectives. Now we already discussed the 6 types of adjectives. Let us quickly remember what we have learned. First is adjective of quality. Example, baby has soft skin. Here, soft is a quality of the skin. Next is adjective of quantity. I have enough knowledge. Enough is the quantity of knowledge I have. Next is adjective of number. Abhi came first in the class. First is the exact rank Abhi came in the class. Abhi got first rank in the class, we can say this. Next is demonstrative adjective. That pen is mine. Here, that is a demonstrative adjective. Point out something. Next is interrogative adjective. Whose car is this? Here, whose is a adjective, is asked question. The last is possessive adjective. My mother is here. My is adjective, that is a possessive adjective. Thank you.